Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 FR 3-door finished in Emocion red. This is a 95 PS model. Features on the car include daytime running lamps built into the headlights and from fog lights. The car benefits from a wheel upgrade to a 17-inch alloy wheel. Being a pre-17 model, 12 months road tax on this particular car is just £30. Seat badge doubles to the boot handle, giving a large loading space and the option to drop the rear seat 60/40 split. Easy access to the rear with one-hand operation. Car seats 5 in total. There's a part leather interior with the red stitching. There's also electric windows and mirrors. Leather steering wheel, a flat base. The car's covered just over 27,800 miles. Has satellite navigation, Bluetooth streaming. Also hands-free calls. CD radio, 3.5mm auxiliary. Air conditioning. And storage at the front with a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details on this car or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.